Get down. Why would you be sitting in mommy's refrigerator? Don't sit in mommy's refrigerator. That's for food. It's not to sit in. Get out of my fridge. Come out. No, it's both of them. They're just sitting in the fridge. Move. Come out. Come out, poo-poo. Yahnnah, get out of the fridge. Don't close her in. Get out. Get out. Back up. Back up.
Ow! A finger.
Yahnnah, that's not a couch. Don't sit in mommy's fridge. Derrick, I'm gonna whoop people's butts.
Get out the refrigerator.
Move it. Move it, Derrick. Thank you. Go. Go. Mommy's trying to clean it out. Go, Yahnnah. That's you too. Go. Yahnnah, go. Yahnnah, go.
Yahnnah.
Go. Thank you.